Hey, it's Mike. Hope you got your Sunday best on today. So we're going to be getting underneath the car and scrubbing. I'm not looking forward to it. Let's get going. All right, let's take a quick tour underneath the car. I'm going to take this cross member out before I start. Now that the floor's back in. You see, I scraped quite a bit of the tunnel at one point in time. Stuck. Jesus. This creeper's about as good as just rolling around on the ground, ain't it? Okay. And now we're dark again. Alright, let's get shed some light on the subject here. So I scraped quite a bit of this. There's a lot left. And this is pretty tight in here. It sucks. This is gonna suck. There. And now we're opening up into the back here. We got our rear end. We got all that to do, but I think, Jesus, I might as well just do it all, I guess. At least I'll get the stuff, frame rails and the interior part, and then, I don't know, figure it out. Stop when I get tired, I guess. All right, taking a break. It's lunchtime. Just remember, keep your mouth closed when you're down there. We've been working on the bottom of the car, grinding, sanding, scrubbing for a couple of weeks now. Still not done. A lot of work. If you're going to start that project, be prepared to spend the rest of your life at it. But today we're going to take a little break on that just so we can keep our sanity. I've got a trunk patch to put in. Should be pretty easy, and we'll see how far we can get on the bell housing and the oil pan. We're going to put those into engine color, which I got a spray can of that. Hopefully that goes okay. It doesn't take too long. It'll be nice little easy stuff to knock out. Just get some low-hanging fruit out of the way, and then we can work on the bottom of the cars as time permits and see about getting engine bay going. Making some progress at least. Show you this little patch in the trunk. It's not very big, shouldn't take too long, but we'll get started on that. All right, so you see the trunk is not in too bad a shape. It's got a share of problems. That's okay. Got some rusty scale there, but right here is where we've got biggest problem. We've got pretty, finger-sized hole there, pinholes over here in this area, and a few over here in this area. So we'll get those taken care of. Before we get going, we'll just get the inside of the trunk here a quick run with a wire brush, get all the loose stuff knocked off, and should be a pretty quick job. All right, got the patch in. We're gonna call that good for today. We're gonna leave the welds. We'll just knock them down a little bit. Just took the heads off, so it's not quite so messy. But yeah, I'm not trying to hide the welds or do coach work in the trunk. So we're gonna call it good, and we'll get started on some of the smaller paint work, oil pan, bell housing. We'll see what else we're going to do after that. Got the power steering pump maybe. And then throw in a little bit of the underbody work, which is not fun. So, until next time.